Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. So if we look at the overall stock market indices, so we can see that the last 7 days they've been able to find the support and continue to put it up to the upside. The chart you look at here that the Nasdaq 100 after the last 7 days, they've been able to continue to put it back up, and momentum still continue to go to the upside. The question here is how far it will go. Time will tell, but in the short term, we can see that the strong rebound from the support, and then it depends on the nature of the pullback here. We will evaluate and let you know that this one will be a bottom out on the February 24, and if the market continues to make another high up here, that's a chance that we can say that this one is bottom out. So right now we are still stick with the short-term move up to the upside until they prove it to give up, and then we can say that market it give up and continue to go further south. But at this moment, it looks like it's more potential to the upside after the market found the bottom here. So the last 7 days here, the Nasdaq was able to return more than 10%. That's the impressive move from the bottom to the upside, and you can see that the volatility it also cool up a little bit here. That helped the market dramatically after they hit to 3638 level here, and then they continue to put it back down. So as long as the fear index could continue to go down, then the market it will have a chance to put it back up until they get into the low bound here. Then we have to see it. They will rebound, or they will jump up, and then that time it the overall market will pull back a little bit, okay, before they can give it more clear direction. And as you can see that a lot of stock in the large cap stock like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google, they have been come back at very strong, as you can see also. So right now, let's take a look on the ES, which is SP 500. The market is still hold tight and continue to push it up to the upside. There is some resistance here. Let's see the market, they are going to react at this level, but the overall trend is still strong, moving up to the upside. The Dow is also pretty strong too, as you can see here. It continues to make it high, low, and put it up to the upside. The Russell 2000 is also very close to the previous support area, now become a resistance. Let's see how are they doing at this level. If they can punch through and get back up, that could be a sign of bottom out also. Okay, let's take a look on the crude oil. The crude oil, after they make it all-time high here, they put it back down here, and now they crawl back up. The question here, it depends on the situation in Russia. They will come back and retest, and then go sideways, or they will continue to put it up to the upside. The momentum is still bullish. They pull back right to the support, and the momentum will still continue to get up. We have some resistance up into this level, okay, at the sell zone. Let's see what they are doing over here. The look at gold, it also pull back right to the support. Now they try to find the way to put it back down. If they can clear the downtrend line here, they will have some room to put it back up. So otherwise they will sideways choppy here until they can clear this resistance here and continue up to the upside. The Bitcoin, it also try to find a way to push it back up. If they can hold it up here, they still have momentum to continue to put it up to the upside. Ethereum, it also same thing. They break out the downtrend line and continue to push it up to the upside. Now let's take a look on the 10-year Treasury note. This one here, the thing that rather concern for the inflation here, it continue to put it up high. As a 10-year Treasury note continue to put it higher. So they tell you that the inflation is not cool up and continue to go up. So let's see how the Fed they are going to handle the interest rate increase. Okay, so that can cause some issue, but in the past sometimes the interest rate, they push it back, they increase the interest rate, but doesn't mean that market going down. They even help the bank stock, and a lot of stock could move back up. So we'll see this time the market to be able to sustain the high inflation here. Now let's take a look on the 11th sector of the S&P 500. You can see that the material sector is still pretty strong there, and continue to push it back up, and they continue to make it high there. And a lot of stocks that we have follow is still doing well, like NAM, Steel, continue to put it back up. At the Russia, at the main producer of the steel, they have some issue there right now, so those stocks could continue to go up high there. LIN, okay, another good one there. And communication sector, it continue to find a way to put it back up. Okay, this one get hit pretty hard of RTB since September last year. Now if they can hold up, we wait for breakout. If they can break out here, they will continue to find a way to go up again. So some of the stock in this sector is also stabilize and find a way up, like Facebook, right? Let me see, Disney, it also looking for to put it up higher, and Google, for example, Google is also try to come back strong in the upside. The energy sector, they doing strong here. Now they pull back down at a support, they pull back up. So the question here is, if they clear that area here, they will continue to test the next level into the upside at the sell zone. But if they fail to go to this area here, then they can roll back down. So let's see it how they are moving. As long as the momentum is still above this trend line here, okay, or a lot of energy stock is still continue to move higher. Now, the financial sector is also trying to come back strong here. So they are still ran by between this buy zone and sell zone here. So, but the momentum is still hang tight to the upside. They gap up and go, up and go, and the trend is still continue to be bullish there. And you can see it, a lot of stock. Let's see, American Express. Let me see, XP. American Express is pretty strong, but they getting to the top here, so be careful on that one. JBM, it also bow back up. They have some resistance here, but they have a good run here in the last couple of days. Okay, and Visa, for example, still doing well. Okay, they have some resistance here. Okay, so but the momentum is still pretty strong there. The XLI, which is the industrial sector, is still pretty strong. They try to come back and retest the downtrend line here. Okay, this is an important level. If they break out, they continue to move higher. And a lot of stock in this sector is still doing well. Cartibella, they get back to the top there. Will be some people will take some profit at this level here. John Deere, that's another strong one. Still move to the upside. UPS, right? So those stocks will show you this one is consolidation and find a way to move higher there. If you look at the XLK, which is technology stock, they turn around here at the support. Now momentum, let's see, they can clear up. If they can stay above this level here, they can even have more room to set up above there. And you can see a lot of stock in this sector, they're doing so well. Okay, like Apple that we mentioned. Okay, like Microsoft, right? You can see that Amazon. Okay, those stocks continue to hit note, right? And NVDA. Okay, also semiconductor. They have some resistance here, but they strong up. They go sideways, and if they can break out, they continue to move much higher. So watch out for this level there. The XLP with the consumer stable, they continue to climb up as the inflation continue to move higher. And a couple of stocks there we have been follow. Coca-Cola still strong there. Pepsi Cola still doing extremely good there. Costco, It's also strong there. Okay, the real estate is cool. It goes sideways a little bit because the high interest rate put it up a little bit, but the momentum is still strong on the upside. The utility sector is still sideways, choppy there. The XLV, which is the healthcare, they put it up strong, but they have some resistance on the left, so they will sideways here before they can find a way to move higher. And a lot of stock in this sector, you also see they are doing the same thing sideways, like Pfizer. They hit to the first level resistance till they pull back before they can find a way to turn around for a final move there. BMY are very similar there. ABBV, this is another strong one. This one is extremely strong to the upside. AMGN, Amgen, still hang tight and to the upside there. The XLY, which is the consumer discretionary, still bounce strong back to the upside. They have some resistance up there, but momentum is still strong to the upside, and you can see that some of the star stock in this one, like Tesla, they go up almost like 71 points today after we highlight last week on a weekly market forecast. This one here continues the market a strong move up the way tree up to the upside there. TGT target, that's another one that they shoot back up. Now they go sideways. If they can clear the resistance here, continue to the upside or low, that's another one. They have some resistance here, so they pull back, but the trend is still there. Okay, so as you can see that many stocks, I see a lot of stocks that they bottom out and then try to find a way back. But we are not out of wood yet, so we still have to monitor careful because we are still, even though the trend is trying to put it back up, but we still in the not a strong formation of the upside. So anything here we still consider as a counter trend until they be able to show it clearly. They'll be able to make it come back and then get up to this level, and the arc will go away, and then we can say that February 24 will be a reversal point, and then market continue to go higher. But look at the momentum. We try to go as far as we can. Let's see how far the market can get up to this level there, and hopefully this one is the bottom out. If it's not, then if the market fails to break the level here, they come back down, then we have to find out exactly how far the market will pull back down. Sometimes they run up too fast, so they pull back, and then they find a way to knock it up. And that's the case, then we can say that this is the February 24 will be a bottom, okay, and the market will continue to make a next move to the upside. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff. If you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily, and then we will update with the entry in the target so that you can follow. All right, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So don't forget to click the thumb up like button below if you want to learn more how to understand the stock market, how to trade accordingly by using a technical analysis. And you can check our website by click the show more link below, and then you can watch our free webinar there to see what we are doing. Again, thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.